Oh my goodness, could I be any more excited? I have got a couple of things from the Friends collection from Revolution. Literally a couple of things. Because I wasn't so keen on the colours that I saw, and I was watching Danielle from Beauty District, and I completely agree with her when she said that the lipsticks that they brought out for Phoebe, Monica and Rachel didn't particularly match what they would have wore back in the day. So I bought the Phoebe one for two reasons. I like the colour and Phoebe was always my favourite, but I think this would have been more suitable to Monica because I don't ever remember Phoebe wearing a bright lipstick. She was more kind of, well, she was hippie-ish and nudie, so the colour they brought out for Monica, which is kind of a corally nude, I think would be more suited to Phoebe. The Rachel one's quite spot on. It's a little bit purple, I think, for her, but it is that very 90s lip. The eyeshadows didn't really pull me in, so I wanted this, and then I just had to get the mirror. I mean, I've been thinking about getting a mirror anyway. It's a complete treat for myself. I'm so excited about it, and yeah, I was definitely a Friends fan. So let's crack this open. I've literally just received these, so I'll get it open. So this is it. It's got a film on at the moment, which is quite good for my camera, but nice and lightweight, nice full face. I'm excited about that. I'm going to stick that in my makeup jar. Oh yes, that looks so good. Cool, right, so let's have a little look at this lipstick. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a real pink rose gold packaging with Friends, the television series Kiss Revolution written on the front. It's got these wicked lips at the bottom, and then it's really pigmented with one swipe. It's really nice. I feel like I want to watch like the whole of Friends now to see if she ever wore a colour like this. And I've watched Friends a lot. I watched it as a teen, like every day, and then I rewatched it I think earlier this year. I think in lockdown we rewatched it. Now that, I really like that colour, but again I would have put that more as a Monica colour. I've not ever used any of the Revolution lipsticks, so this is my first time using one, and it's really comfortable. I do really like this colour. It's going to be nice for autumn, winter. But yeah, that was just a really short video about the Friends mirror and the Phoebe lipstick, and if you've used any of it, let me know. I think it's selling out quite fast. I got mine from ASOS, got next day delivery as well. The mirrors are going to be great Christmas presents for people that are Friends fanatics. I love mine. I bought it for myself. Why not? I'm pregnant. I deserve to have a treat. But yeah, I really like this lipstick. So yay. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.